Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me. I'm Crypto Maximalist. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment down below for the comment section, really helps out the channel. And with that being said, we are taking a look at Byte on our daily time frame here. So as we can see, obviously because of that recent swing high up here that we've put in, we've come down into a really nice area of consolidation, looking like we're going for a bit of a deeper retracement today, breaking down from this little consolidation here that we've seen over the past week or so. Obviously Bitcoin has been retracing and leading the entire market down for the most part, but you can see Byte here. In general, I would say Byte is still just continuing to consolidate and go sideways for the most part. You could argue that really all we've been doing pretty much is just putting in this big fat range like this, where we've basically had this swing high deviation up here and we've come up and retested again. Overall, Byte is just sitting really in a big consolidation phase at about the middle of the range it's been in ever since its inception, really. Obviously we had this really big launch price spike, as you often do in crypto, and then we've obviously made a low and a high. We've got this big deviation here, but we came back inside the range, come down, looking for a deep retest down into these lower levels here. You could say it's looking maybe something like this, and you can see here as well we tried to push up out of these areas of resistance but came back inside yet again, and right now still just consolidating. You can see we've made a new clear swing high resistance up here as well. And overall, I would say Byte really, as I've said in previous videos, just waiting for the bull market to be making some of those massive gains that it's probably going to see. I'm feeling very good about Byte making some really monstrous gains as time goes on. You can see I've got a very nice target up here that could easily be met, in my opinion, in the bull market. You can see since its inception, when it first launched in December up to around March, which is only around 4 months, it made a massive gain. And I think we could easily see ourselves making some significant gains like this in the next cycle as well, around 15,000%. You can see here we could easily do 15,000% up here if we just basically did what we were doing in the previous time we had a big pump from the initial offering up to the all-time high. And I think we could easily see a cycle like this again for Byte once it does start to break out of this level here. You could probably imagine something like this heading up into these really nice price targets up here. This obviously would be a really significant extension, getting up towards 1 cent, but I do think it's possible considering the narrative behind Byte as well. Overall, we are just waiting and seeing what's going to happen next with the wider market in the short term, but long term I'm feeling very bullish.